Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am a student of the University Campus Larkana. Myself Tanvi Jangad from Department of Computer Science. My roll number is 2K17 LCS 43. Today I am presenting a presentation of subject Artificial Intelligence to our respected teacher Dr. Professor Azhar Ali Shah. First of all, course outline. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, Agents in AI, Machine Learning and Deep Learning, Uncertainty in Artificial Intelligence. Introducing to Artificial Intelligence. Artificial Intelligence (AI) is a field that has a long history but is still constantly and actively growing and changing. In this course, you shall learn the basic of modern AI as well as some of the representative application of AI. Artificial intelligence is an approach to make a computer, robot, or a product to think how smart human think. AI is also a study of how human brain think, learn, decide, and work. When it tries to solve problems and finally his study outputs intelligent software systems. The aim of AI is to improve computer functions which are related to human knowledge, for example, reasoning, learning, and problem solving. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. The intelligence is a intangible. It is a composed of it is composed of reasoning, learning, problem solving, pers- pers- perception, linguistic intelligence. The objectives of AI research are reasoning, knowledge representation, planning, learning, natural language processing, realizing, and ability to move and manipulate objects. There are long term goals in the general intelligence sector. Agents in artificial intelligence. To understand the structure of intelligent agents, we should be familiar with the architecture and an agent program. Architecture is the machinery that the agent executes on. It is a device with sensors and actors. For example, a robotic car, a camera, a PC. Agent program is an implementation of an agent function. An agent function is a map from the perceived sequence history of all that an agent has perceived till date to an action. This is the this is the agent architecture plus agent program, and this is the sample of architecture agent. Agent in artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is defined as a study of rational agents. A rational agent could be anything which makes decisions as a person, film, machine, or software. It carries out action with the best outcome after considering past and current percepts. Agents perceptual input at a given instance. An AI system is composed of an agent and its environments. The agents act in their environment. The environment may contain other agents. An agent is anything that can be viewed as pres- perceiving its environment through sensors and acting upon that environment through actuators. Not every agent can perceive its own action, but not always effects. Example of agent. A software agent has keystrokes, files, contents received, network packages which act as sensors and displays on the screen. Files sent network packets acting as actuators. A human agent has eyes, ears, and other organs which act as sensors and hands, legs, mouth, and other body parts acting as actuators. A robotic agent has cameras and infrared range finders which act as sensor and various motors acting as actuators. Here the picture agent and environment. Agent is prescribing environment and agent has abilities, goals, perf- performance, prior knowledge, observation, past expression, action. Types of agents. Agents can be grouped into four classes based on their degree of perceived intelligence and capability. Simple reflex agents, model based reflex agents, goal based agent, utility based agents, learning agent. Machine learning and deep learning. Artificial intelligence is imparting a cognitive ability to a machine. The idea behind machine learning is that the machine can learn without human intervention. The machine needs to find a way to learn how to solve tasks given the data. Deep learning is the breakthrough in the field of artificial intelligence. Machine learning. Machine learning is a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. It is a branch of artificial intelligence based on the idea that system can learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Evolution of machine learning. Because of new computing technologies, machine learning today is not like machine learning of the past. It was born from pattern recognition and the theory that computers can learn without being programmed to perform a specific task. Research instead of artificial intelligence wanted to see if computers could learn from data. The the iterative aspect of machine learning is important because its models are exposed to new data. They are able to identify, adapt as a science is how not new, but one that has gained fresh mountain momentum. While many machine learning algorithms have been around for a long time, the ability to automatically apply complex mathematical calculation to big data over and over faster and faster is a recent development. Here a few widely publicized examples of machine learning applications you may be familiar with: the heavily helped self-driving Google car, the essence of machine learning. Online re- online recommendation of such as those from Amazon and Netflix, machine learning application for everyday life. Knowing what customers are saying about you on Twitter, machine learning combined with knowing with rule creation, fraud detection, one of the most obvious important uses in our world today. Why machine learning important? Re- these are resurging interest in machine learning is due to the same factors that have made data mi- mining and Bayesian analysis more popular than ever. Things like growing volumes and varieties of available data, computational processing that is cheaper and more powerful, and affordable data storage. All of these things mean it's possible to quickly and automatically produce models that can analyze bigger, more complex data and deliver faster, more accurate results, even on a very large scale. And by building press models, an organization has a better chance of identify profitable opportunities or avoiding unknown risk. Deep learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning, ML, and artificial intelligence that imitates the way humans gain certain types of knowledge. Deep learning is an important element of data science, which includes statistics and predictive modeling. It is extremely beneficial to data scientists who are tasked with collecting, analyzing, and interpreting large amount of data. Deep learning analyzing Deep learning makes the process faster and easier. It is simplest. Deep learning can be through is way to predictive analytic automate, while traditional machine learning algorithms are linear. Deep learning algorithms are stacked in hierarchy of increasing complexity and abstraction. How deep learning works. Computer program that use development learning go through much the same process as total learning to identify the dog. Each algorithm in the hierarchy applies a non-linear transformation to its input and use what it learns to a status create statistical model as output. Iterations continue until the output has reached an acceptable level of accuracy. The number of processing layers through which data must pass is what inspired the label deep. Deep learning methods. Various different methods can be used to create a strong deep learning models. These techniques include learning rate decay, transfer learning, training from scratch, and dropout. Learning rate decay. The learning rate is a hyper parameter a factor that defines the system or shares conditional conditions for its operation prior the learning processing the control how much change the model experience as response to estimated error the model every time the model weights are altered. Learning rates that are too high may result unstable training process or the or small may produce a length training process that has potential to get stuck. The leaving rate decay method, also called learning rate annealing or adaptive learning rates, is the process of adapting the learning rate to increase performance and reduce training time. The easiest and most common adoptions of learning rate during training include techniques to reduce learning rate over time. Uncertainty in artificial intelligence contains the proceeding the ninth conference on uncertainty in artificial intelligence held at Catholic University of America in Washington D.C. on July 9, 1993. The paper's focus methods of reasoning and decisions making under uncertainty applied to problems in artificial intelligence AI and cover topics ranging from knowledge acquisition and automated model construction to learning, planning, temporal reasoning, and machine vision. Comprised of 66 chapters, this book begins with a decision on causality in Bayesian belief networks before timing to decision theoretic occur of conditional auto statements rece- that rectifies generic definition in classific denoting logic and forms of sound basis for qualitative decision theory. Subsequent chapters explore trade-off in constructing and evaluating tem- tempor- temporal influence diagrams. Normal, en- normal engineering risk management systems, adaptive belief networks models, and sensitive analysis for probability assessments, Bayesian networks, automated model construction, and learning as well algorithm of interface and decisions. Why does uncertainty arise in AI? When talking about artificial intelligence, an agent faces uncertainty in decision making when it tries to perceive the environment for information because of the agent gets in wrong or incomplete data which can affect the result drawn by the agent. How do you handle uncertainty? In probabilistic reasoning, we combine probability theory with logic to handle the uncertainty. We use probability in probabilistic reasoning because it's provide a way handle the uncertainty data is the result of someone's laziness and ignorance. Thank you so much.